How to stop being added to groups on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily stop being added to groups on Instagram by random people. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, what you need to do next is go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile icon, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. From there, you want to scroll down until you find an option for how others can interact with you. And go over to messages and story replies. Then you have an option how people can reach you. Under there, tap on message requests. Then you can change the option who can send you message requests. First thing you do is change it to your followers. And then once you change it, you can scroll down and find an option who can add you to group chats. If this is selected to everyone, you want to change it to people that you follow so that random people won't be able to add you to their groups. Only people you follow or you've chatted with before can add you to group chats unless you block them. So that's how you can stop being added to groups on Instagram. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.